Hey everybody, it's Ben here. I've got some exciting news and also a request for you. The exciting news is that Fully Charged Live is coming up, and I'm going to be going to Austin, Texas for a really cool event where everybody gets together talking about electric cars. There's going to be a lot of really cool people there. Chelsea Sexton from Who Killed the Electric Car, Nikki from Transport Evolve, Jehu Garcia doing tons with lithium 18650 cells, just a whole lot of really cool people, movers and shakers in the electric car world. Now, of course, I'm going to take my camera gear with. I'm going to shoot as many interviews and videos as I possibly can. Hopefully, you're going to, and we can get together and meet up, see what projects you're working on. Seriously, if you're going to be there, I definitely want to talk with you. It should be a really cool event. And not only that, but I also figured out how to get there. I'm in southeastern Wisconsin, think Chicago North maybe, but I got to get to Austin, Texas, and through a friend of a friend, I'm going to be carpooling from Chicago to Austin in a Tesla Model S. I can't really think of any more efficient way to get across the country than carpooling in an electric car. But at the same time, here comes the ask. The truth is, it takes money to do this sort of thing. Just food, hotels get very expensive very quick. Unfortunately, a while back, I was hurt pretty bad in a traffic collision and have had some issues since then. That, well, frankly, make me rather underemployed. Now, of course, when you see me on YouTube, hey, I'm all chipper, let's go do something amazing. What you don't see is if I don't post a video for 2 or 3 weeks, it's because I'm just busy doing what I can to scrimp by to pay the mortgage and the groceries, or I'm having issues with pain management, frustration from not being able to use hand tools properly, things like that. So here's the ask. I would like some money from you to support me so that I can shoot the videos, meet as many people as I possibly can, and be able to produce some more content on electric vehicles. I enjoy learning about electric vehicles, renewable energy, all that, and sharing it, but frankly, it takes time and money and energy to be able to do these sorts of things. So if you could, I would very much appreciate if you did a donation to 300mpg.org. I'll have a link right in the description of the video. I'm also on Patreon. I do have a few Patreon supporters on there. If you joined them, that would be super duper. The folks who are already on there, thank you so much. And while I'm at it, among all the cool people that are going to be at Transport Evolved, Fully Charged Live, Gavin Shoebridge said that he was going to be there. He's everybody's favorite Kiwi EV, and he's a little bit in the same boat. He could actually use some money to get out to the event. He actually just wrote a book, and if you buy his book, it gets him a little bit money to get him out to the event as well. So check it out. Gavin Shoebridge, Unprepared. Pretty good book so far. I'm just getting into it. But in all seriousness, I love when you watch my videos, you like them, you share them, put them on Facebook and Twitter and share with all your friends, everything like that. But check the additional info in the link about where I'm going to be and when. Who knows, maybe I'm passing through your neck of the woods and we can meet up at a hotel bar for a drink on a Thursday night or something weird like that as part of this. So I'm excited about the trip and I would absolutely love your support. And until next time, stay charged up.